channel. This is Gabby's vlog. For our latest vlog for today's video will be all about another trending topics plus new Music Friday. But subscribe to YouTube channel. Gusto ko mag-like, shares, comments, and views. At abubuti tayo ng 500 subscribers. If support natin sa ating social media account. Our latest vlog 242 and episode 242 entitled Another Trending Topics plus new Music Friday. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin for our latest vlog. Panoorin natin ating highlights on trending topics this week. Okay, simulan natin. Una muna natin ay sa Music Week World. Unfortunately, hindi namin ang Pinay Miss Universe Destination. Oh, but pasok pa rin sa top 10 finalists ng Miss Universe. Congratulations, Michelle D. We are proud of you. And kung sino ang manalo ng Miss Universe, wala ibang kundi ang very first Nicaragua to win Miss Universe na si Shanice Palacios from Nicaragua. After more than 15 years, nagamit ang kauna-unahang Nicaragua to win the pageant. Along with the first runner-up, Leslie Isabella Antonia Ortiz, and second runner-up Miss Australia Soraya Wilson. Yung ibang top 5 finalists is Puerto Rico and Miss Colombia si Camila Abella. Si Miss Colombia, Camila Abella, kauna-unahang mami o yung mom candidates ng Miss Universe in the history sa sumali sa pageant ito. At the first time kasi, Miss Portugal, kauna-unahang transgender nakapasok sa top 20 ng Miss Portugal. Para si after the post na May ng 2018, meron din siya napasok sa top 20 May ng 2018. Meron na siya first trans woman sa Miss Universe. Congratulations! The first Nicaragua Miss Universe Shanice. Now, magsimula tayo sa World of Entertainment News sa awarding last night's Canada Mass Media Awards. Nanalo Best Station ID? Watch this!
The finalists for Best Station ID. Love is Us this Christmas. GMA Christmas Station ID 2022. GMA Network Incorporated. My K Ako, Knowledge Channel.
Kaya ko ng kabatang Pinoy. Kaya ko dahil may kaya Pinoy. Kaya kong mangarap pa rin sa pagsisikap. Dahil may kaya ko, kaya ko ito.
TV5 Christmas Station ID. Iba ang Pasko pagsama-sama. TV5 Network Incorporated.
The CMMA goes to Love is Us this Christmas, GMA Christmas Station ID 2022 by GMA Network Inc. Congratulations guys! Palakpakan po muli natin ang lahat.
Ayan, nanalo ang Love is Us this Christmas GMA Christmas Station ID ng VIX. Ibang Pasko pagsama-sama ng TV5 and My K Ako ng Knowledge Channel. Pinamunahan ng kapuso singers like Julian San Jose, Christian Bautista, Mark Bautista, Maricas Garcia, Aisel Santos, Zephanie, Marian Osabel, at iba pang kapuso singers in Love is Us this Christmas. This year, meron ang hashtag Station winner XOXO and Shanty Dog, plus international artists like Demi and Ed Sheeran. New music will be available every Friday on Spotify Philippines app. Yet for our latest vlog